we are learning Griffin stitch. This is another laidwork design that I did not come up with. I was able to trace it back to an embroidery book written in 1934. Griffin stitch starts with double trellis couching, which you may recall from our trellis family lesson. A single trellis stitch is laid down first. We then place a second trellis stitch on top of the first, creating diagonal lines over each cross point, diamonds over the squares. Now for the couching, we'll place a small stitch over the cross points of just the upper trellis stitch, so the meeting of 2 threads, but not the meeting of 4 threads. And finally, the thing that turns this into Griffin stitch, circular weaving. Come up right next to one of the 4 thread cross points in any of the little triangles created by the spokes. We'll then weave our needle in a circle around the cross point, going over the threads of the top trellis and under the threads of the bottom trellis until we reach our original entry point again. We can then take our needle back through the fabric in that same place to complete the circle. Continue adding woven circles on each of the remaining cross points. This design really allows you to go nuts with colors, and while it's not actually very complex to stitch, it looks super detailed once finished. And here is our completed Griffin stitch. And we're done!